राजस्थान परिषद के इस मीट द आइकॉन प्रोग्राम में। राजस्थान परिषद 45 वर्ष पूर्व गठित हुई थी। ये बेंगलुरु की एक अग्रगण्य सामाजिक संस्था है जो पिछले 45 वर्षों से शिक्षा के क्षेत्र में, चिकित्सा के क्षेत्र में और सामाजिक जुड़ाव के क्षेत्र में महनीय कार्य संपादित करती आई है। और इसी इनिशिएटिव, इसी पहल को आगे ले जाते हुए हम लेकर आए हैं ये अनूठा और अद्भुत कार्यक्रम, एक इनोवेटिव कार्यक्रम जिसका नाम है मीट द आइकॉन। और इस मीट द आइकॉन कार्यक्रम का जो ऑब्जेक्टिव है, जो लक्ष्य है, वो है कि हम उन हस्तियों से रूबरू होते हैं, उन व्यक्तियों से रूबरू होते हैं जिन्होंने अपने जीवन में सफलता हासिल की है और जिनका तेरापन धर्म संघ से ताल्लुक है। क्यों हम रूबरू होते हैं, उसके पीछे लक्ष्य है, उसके पीछे एम जो है वो ये है कि जो लोग ये कार्यक्रम देख रहे हैं वो भी उनसे इंस्पायर्ड हो पाएँ, उनसे प्रेरणा ले पाएँ और अपने जीवन की दिशा को परिवर्तन की ओर मोड़ पाएँ। एंड the person who is there with me today is Priyanka Jain, who is Associate Director at Flipkart. प्रियंका जी, आपका हार्दिक हार्दिक अभिनंदन है, हार्दिक हार्दिक स्वागत है।
थैंक यू।
और मेरे साथ इस कार्यक्रम में जो मौजूद हैं वो हैं श्री राजेश जी सेठिया, राजस्थान परिषद के ट्रेजरर, और श्री कमलजीत तातेड़, राजस्थान परिषद के प्रेसिडेंट। और इस कार्यक्रम की जो थॉट है, जो सोच है, उस सोच को जो लेकर आए थे वो हैं श्री सुनील जी दुगड़, इस प्रोजेक्ट के चेयरमैन। मैं विनय बैद, इस प्रोजेक्ट का वाइस चेयरमैन। प्रियंका जी, वंस अगेन वेलकम टू दिस प्रोग्राम।
थैंक यू विनय जी। सबसे पहले मैं ये बोल दूँ कि आई थिंक यू बीन रियली काइंड टू से ऑल द नाइस वर्ड्स अबाउट मी। इतनी इंस्पायरिंग नहीं हूँ मैं, बट येस, जो भी लाइफ के थोड़े बहुत मोमेंट्स हैं आई विल शेयर विद ऑल ऑफ यू। एंड येस,
लेट्स स्टार्ट। प्रियंका जी, द फर्स्ट थिंग विच आई वुड लाइक टू आस्क यू इज आपके चाइल्डहुड के बारे में बताइए। आपका बचपन कैसे बीता? व्हाट काइंड ऑफ एनवायरनमेंट वाज देयर अराउंड यू?
श्योर। आई थिंक मेरी चाइल्डहुड की एक चीज़ जो मुझे बहुत एक वो फ्लैशबैक की तरह आती है एंड बहुत क्लियरली मुझे याद है। एक बार मैं पापा के साथ बैठी हुई थी and he was telling me his childhood stories and how he started his business. And one thing he told me is that when I started my business मैंने अपने पापा से एक पैसा भी नहीं दिया।
अच्छा।
And जब डिविजन हुआ प्रॉपर्टी का, then also he didn't take any money. He was there as a part of the division wherein so that all the brothers are well settled and etc. But he didn't take even a single penny.
Okay.
Which is what really affected me. I was like, wow, complete self-made man. And I think बचपन में इतना पता नहीं चलता है, you just keep absorbing. But जैसे जैसे मैं बड़ी हुई वो मुझे बहुत strongly वो feel होता गया. And I was very clear I have to be someone in my life, and be it financial independence, be it a good person, be it doing something for the society. So whatever little I can do, I keep doing that.
अच्छा। वी विल ऑल्सो लाइक टू नो अबाउट योर एजुकेशन। हमने आपके बारे में पढ़ा कि आप श्री राम कॉलेज ऑफ कॉमर्स से आपने बीकॉम ऑनर्स किया है, फिर आपने MBA भी किया है। सो जस्ट टेल अस मोर अबाउट योर एजुकेशन। हाउ हैज एजुकेशन हेल्प्ड यू टू शेप व्हाट यू आर टुडे?
श्योर। आई थिंक आई स्टार्टेड माय स्कूलिंग विद DAV स्कूल। उस टाइम इतना इंग्लिश पे फोकस नहीं होता था, राइट? Even though I was a good student, I used to score good marks, but my English was not very strong because of which I was not very confident.
Okay.
I think that was one thing which I thought was really lacking in our at least primary education, which is not there thankfully these days, right? Kids are very, I think they speak in English and they're very comfortable with English. But I think initial days, to get that confidence, I think that is something which was lacking. But I think I made it up as I grew up. I remember I was in DAV where the school was not that great, and I again very clearly remember mom was fighting with dad कि इसको better school में भेजना है, and papa, we were 5 kids. एंड पापा वाज लाइक कि इतना अभी नहीं है, ये स्कूल अच्छा तो है, अच्छा कर रही है, क्या प्रॉब्लम है? एंड मॉम वाज लाइक चाहे कुछ भी हो जाए, आप कहीं से भी कट करो, बट ये बेटर स्कूल में जाएगी। एंड या दे चेंज्ड द स्कूल एंड आई थिंक मेरे मॉम डैड से कभी ये शेयर नहीं किया, बट व्हेन दे सी दिस दे विल नो हाउ दीज थिंग्स हैव एक्चुअली हेल्प्ड मी फॉर्म द पर्सन आई एम।
So, those who is watching this particular program, Priyanka had her mom and dad's support, which helped her transition into a better individual. At this point of time, one question which is coming in my mind is about your career graph. You started with Unilever as an intern.
Right.
तो वो यूनिलीवर का वो जो बिगिनिंग का जो एक्सपीरियंस था, जो अनुभव था, if you could probably share with us.
I think it was very tough. So it was a time when there was no Google Maps, no WhatsApp, right? Mobiles भी बहुत expensive होते थे, तो वो भी use नहीं होते थे. My posting was in Ludhiana, तो मैं 2 महीने तक लुधियाना में रही थी. And it was tough because it was the first time I was going out of my comfort zone. To a new city, to do a new project, which I had to do it very responsibly because Unilever, you know, the quality of the work that they expect is very, very high. On top of that, you have no idea about, and it was a field project, right? So I had to go meet the distributor, wholesalers, and उनसे बात करके समझना था कैसा काम है, क्या control gaps हैं, and to do all of that in a short time frame. To ensure that the work is good, with no direction sense. Life I think अभी काफ़ी comfortable हो गई है, उस time नहीं थी. So yes, it was a struggle, but I think what keeps you going is that goal, right? You have your focus on the end objective, which is that you have to be, you have to kind of be true to yourself. Because no one else is going to evaluate you, right? I think once you decide that you're conscious is, you know, proud of you and you are proud of yourself, I think you realize that whatever you do is good. So yeah.
Okay. One more question which I wanted to ask is you have also spent time with IMRB Calcutta.
Right.
So at IMRB Calcutta, what was your profile? Was that consumer insight?
Yes, it was consumer insights, and honestly I never wanted to get into insights. So my first job was actually consulting, risk consulting, which is what I wanted to do, right? But situations happened in personal life because of which I had to leave that and I had to shift to Calcutta, and there was no scope of consulting in Calcutta. That is how I got into research.
So prior IMRB, you were with Access Risk Consulting.
Access Risk Consulting, yes.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a part of Genpact now, and it was a startup that time, and we were a team of 12 people, and I actually worked with the founders and partners.
Okay.
And who had like 20 years of experience that time. So I think the kind of experience and learning I had was tremendous.
Okay.
So yeah.
And then post IMRB, you up HT Media में आई.
Yes.
And how was it working with such a big group, HT Media?
HT Media, I think as an industry is very, very challenging. Media is not easy, not simple, right? And especially the way it's evolving. And that was a time when actually HT Media was doing the transition from print to digital. So they were focusing a lot on digital, and I think that time I helped them set up the entire digital phase of theirs. Yeah.
Okay. And then now you are with Flipkart, which is a well-known brand in global market.
Right.
So how is it working with such a big brand? And that also you have the post which you have, associate director. What sort of challenges you face as associate director, and how you're coping with that, dealing with that?
I think this I definitely want to tell all of you, whoever is watching this. When I was working with HT Media, right, I was not very happy with the work. It was not challenging enough, and that is when you know, this e-com industry was booming like 4 years back. I just focused on Flipkart and Amazon. I mailed them, actually LinkedIn, there is an option of in-mail. I mailed 2 people in Flipkart and 2 in Amazon, that, you know, I'm actually looking forward to work with you all, and if you think my profile is suitable, please call me. And they actually called me.
Okay.
Right, so it works. I think you just need to focus and be very clear about the industry that you want to get into. If you have the right profile and the right timing, I think that is also very important. They had a vacancy that time, right? And so Flipkart called me, I think the same evening, and the next, I think within 3 days, they called me to the on-site interview.
Okay.
And I went there and I cracked it, and So the reason why I wanted to get into this industry was the fact that it's very dynamic and very challenging, right? You actually get to work with the best of brains, right? Because
That's true.
almost everyone is very ambitious over here. So it definitely helps in the career. And my family was not very convinced about me shifting to Bangalore all by myself, but I think mom dad have always trusted me, and I think that was one strength which I had.
Okay.
And yeah.
So, what sort of challenges this job, has bring in your life? What are the challenges? प्रियंका जी, एक चीज़ और आपसे पूछनी थी. One thing which I wanted to know, this transition to a senior level position brings also a lot of challenges and also a lot of opportunities. If you could probably tell us something about that, कि ये जो आप senior level position पर हो as an associate director, what sort of challenges you face on a day-to-day basis, and how are you dealing with those challenges?
I think challenges, तो मतलब almost on a daily basis you face something or the other, right? I'll just talk about a couple of key things that I kind of faced. When I came to Flipkart, right? Like I said, यहाँ पे लोग बहुत ambitious हैं, बहुत they are very intelligent, but at the same time, because of a lot of ambition, they are very insecure also, right? So it's very difficult to deal with that balance. So I remember when I joined, within 3 months, and it took a lot of financial toll, because I came here, settled here. My son also came, education, I kind of set up the entire house. So in terms of financial, there was a lot of investment, and I had to resign. So I think within 3 months I resigned, because I could not deal with my boss. Right, there were a lot of issues, and I kind of tried to be okay with it, but it was not happening, and I had to resign. And then HR got involved, and all of that happened, but eventually I stayed, because they assured me that they're gonna take care of me and all of that. But I think that phase was very difficult for me.
Okay.
To take that decision, right, that your self-respect is far more important than the money you're getting. Right, it is very important for you to be happy in whatever you're doing, right? So I think that is what I realized then, that maybe I'll get a next job with lesser pay, maybe lesser profile, but that's okay. At least I'll be happy, right? And I see a lot of people around me who work but are not happy, and who are just in massively this race of just chasing money or chasing job. So I feel there's no end to it.
Okay.
Right. So I think that was one which was which was at least for me a lot of learning. Otherwise, I think it's a very fine mix of how do you deal with people.
Absolutely.
And how do you not let yourself compare with others, right? Because I think you should be happy with your achievements, with what you have achieved in life. The moment you stop doing that comparison, right, you actually focus more on work, more on life, and more on happiness.
So there's a very important message which Priyanka ji is trying to convey, and that important message is, don't compare yourself with anyone. You just be on your own trajectory, and the growth then will be better. Once you start comparing with others, then the infinity complex starts coming inside you. So one more thing which I wanted to ask is that we all are big fan of online ecosystem. Including myself. But there is a school of thought. एक school of thought है जो ये कहती है कि ई-रिटेलर्स आने के बाद में, ये ऑनलाइन सिस्टम आने के बाद में कहीं ना कहीं जो ब्रिक एंड मोटार में है, उनको बहुत बड़ा एक धक्का लगा है. एंड बिकॉज द काइंड ऑफ डीप डिस्काउंटिंग विच companies like Amazon and Flipkart can offer, those retailers who are there on the street cannot offer. So how will you convince them?
Sure.
For example, let's say I ask you to convince them that no, there are no two ways. In fact, both supplement each other.
Right. See, it's not going to disappear, right? It's here and now. I think we have to accept the change, and I handle sellers and I know how much more sales they are doing right now vis-a-vis what they were doing when they were not in the online ecosystem. So yes, that transition is tough for any person who's not used to doing it. But once you take this step, and actually the online ecosystem, right, they actually do a hand holding. वो आपको बताते हैं क्या क्या करने हैं, क्या changes हैं, तो वो आपका प्रॉपर अच्छे से हैंड होल्ड करके आपको क्रॉस करवाते हैं वो रिवर, राइट. सो आई वुड जस्ट से दैट द फर्स्ट स्टेप इज डिफिकल्ट, बट आई थिंक वो आपको लेना चाहिए बिकॉज इवेंचुअली इट्स गोना बी गुड फॉर यू एज वेल एज द कंपनी.
So the bottom line is adapt change. Don't resist change. Change is something which is constant. Now, one more thing which I wanted to ask you is that you belong to Terapan Dharam Sangh. In fact, we all belong to Terapan Dharam Sangh. How important is religion in your life?
Right. So I have a slightly different thought on this, right? More than the religion, I try and imbibe the thoughts. I try and imbibe the beliefs. So in Jainism, I think this is one of the most scientific religion that we have. All the beliefs or practices that we do, right, there is a very very deep scientific or moral or a life lesson sort of a reason behind it. And I think that is the best part, because, and this is what I tell my son as well, right, do not take anything on face value, have a logic. आपको मैं भी अगर कुछ बोलती हूँ करने को, you should ask me reason as to why am I asking you to do it.
Absolutely.
If you do not know the reason, there is no point of doing it, right, blindly. You need to have the thought and belief in that. So I think most of the things that I believe from Jainism are the ones that I feel have a reasoning behind it.
Okay.
And that is why I try and imbibe in me.
And how was that shaped you as an individual? For example, you said there are days when you face a lot of challenges, and challenges are there on a day-to-day basis. So is there some positive thought which you have drawn out of the religion and that helps you, keep going?
I think one of the very very critical and basic thing that we teach over here is do not hurt anyone. Do
Very
not
important.
hurt even the organisms you cannot see, right? I think that's very important, especially in today's day and age, where people are they do not think about other people or others' perspective. I think that is very important, because that helps you shape in a way that you don't want to do something which your conscience doesn't allow, right? So you do not want to do anything which may hurt the other person, even in professional setup. Like, there are a lot of instances where you can easily damage the other person without the other person knowing as well, right? But you would not want to go to that path.
Absolutely.
Because you should do the right thing.
Can we have a big round of applause for Priyanka ji?
Thank you so much.
Now, one more question, which a lot of women who are watching this program, especially a lot of women, wanted to ask you, is that how do you have this work-life balance? You are a working lady, so what is the mantra of work-life balance?
I think mantra is to have a very very good support staff. Without them, I don't think life can revolve anymore. And also adapt online. I think
Okay.
thanks to, and because Bangalore is the hub of all the startups, and online is really high. For anything and everything you have an online app, right? So yes, I think it really helps me to kind of distribute that time wherein I don't have to go in traffic, park, and go actually and buy stuff. So yes, online support staff, and have a brilliant kid.
Superb, amazing,
That's
amazing.
what I have.
So this is what we learn, that when you have your support of your family, near dear ones, then nothing is impossible. Priyanka ji, on this note, we are very thankful to you. In fact, we are honorable to have you amongst us.
Thank you so much. I
So
think I am
on behalf of Rajasthan Parishad, बहुत 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 धन्यवाद, तहे दिल से आपका शुक्रिया
Thank
अदा।
you so much. Thank you.